Hello everyone, in this video we will do the solution discussion for the challenge 4.1. So as I told you, you should add a link to v3schools.com and that should be added by A. So in links, there is different for link. The link block is different and this is different. The link is for style sheets, JS and all. And if you want to practice that, you can go to our repository. HTML challenges for advanced, but now it's in progress. When it will be completed, we will upload videos on that too. So now this is done. We add a ref. So this ref is that it gives the link to the website, any website, let it be. And you should add the double quotes in here for the ref. That's called an attribute. This is an attribute. So you can read all about that in a wiki. In the wiki, everything is there. So as I told you, the text should be, if you want to learn more about learning programming languages, then please visit this website for more details and the A closing tag. So thank you all. Meet you in the 4.2 challenge discussion.